Imagine an AI tool that can search the web, answer questions, summarize information, and even help you complete projects. Perplexity AI is definitely what fits this description. Think of it as a combination of search engine and AI assistant. Instead of giving you a long list of links, it gives you a clear answer with sources, making research much faster. In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity, explore its interface, and test some of its most useful features. So let's get started. First, go to the Perplexity website and sign in using your Google account, Apple account, or just your email. Once you're logged in, you will see the home page, and as you can see, everything is very clean and simple. In the center of the screen is the main search box where you will type your question. This is where almost everything happens. On the left side, you can see the menu. The new button starts a new conversation. Spaces lets you organize different projects. Artifacts stores content you created, and history keeps all your previous searches so you can return to them later. At the bottom of the search box, you will notice a few options. You can search the web, upload files from your computer, choose different AI models, or even use voice input if you prefer speaking instead of typing. Now let's go and try our first search. I will type what are the biggest AI trends in 2026. Then I will press enter. After just a few seconds, Perplexity searches the web, reads multiple trusted sources, and gives us one clear answer with references. This is one of the biggest advantages of Perplexity. Instead of giving 10 different websites, you get everything in one place. Now let's try something different. I will ask, explain quantum computing in simple English. As you can see, Perplexity gives an easy to understand explanation without using complicated technical words, and this makes it a great learning tool for students or anyone trying to understand a new topic. Now let's test it for content creation. I will type, give me 10 YouTube video ideas about AI tools. Within a second, Perplexity generates a list of creative video ideas that you could start working on right now. If you're a student, you could ask, summarize the causes of World War II in 5 simple points. Perplexity is much more than just a search engine. It helps with writing, coding, research, brainstorming ideas, learning new skills, and solving everyday problems. You'll also notice the computer option. This new feature allows Perplexity to complete more advanced tasks for you, helping automate parts of your workflow instead of only answering questions. Now, one thing I really like about Perplexity is that every answer includes sources. If you want to verify information or just read more, you can simply open the references. This gives you much more confidence compared to using a normal AI chatbot that doesn't always show where its information comes from. So overall, Perplexity is one of the easiest AI searches tools available today. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.